Hey guys, Andrew here for nextriff.com, and what we have here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. So it's a model that is not available worldwide yet. It's going to be available from April onwards, but this is the S10 5G, and compared to the say Galaxy S10 Plus, it's a lot bigger. I mean, aside from that, you still get this oblong shaped camera, which is similar to the S10 Plus. Aside from that, it has a larger display than the Galaxy S10 Plus, so it does. I mean, you can see from my hand that it is a huge phone, but I wouldn't say it's unwieldy. It's just very, very noticeably big. Compared to the normal Galaxy S10 phones, the S10 5G also has a similar camera setup, but on top of the triple camera system, Samsung added a fourth sensor on the back of the phone here. It is a time-of-flight sensor which allows the phone to capture 3D depth data. How useful would this be? Well, it remains to be seen. Besides that, you also get this gradient finish on the back of the phone, and from what I can tell, it is not glass like the one you find on the normal S10 phones. Instead, I suspect it's made of plastic, because it certainly feels like plastic, but I asked the Samsung rep and they didn't want to tell me what it was, and they said that they can't tell me if it is plastic or not. So that's that. Nonetheless, it does feel okay, but I do suspect it is, well, plastic. So that's a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. It's certainly an interesting phone, but I mean, whether or not it will come to Malaysia is a very different question, because, well, we don't even have 5G yet. So there's that. Expect for more good things to come from us at MWC 2019 in Barcelona. And here is Andrew, signing out.